like you lost another one.
And now, y'all are about to see the other one. There's another ready to go. So this is what it looks like now. It's a GC350 bumper. Gotta get it painted still. We got quick releases right there. And that guy helped me out, so thanks to him. But yeah. It's my dad up there. Got my whole front bumper in there. But yeah, now that y'all seen the car, I gotta do some minor touch-ups to the bumper and then sand it a little bit and send it off to get painted. And alright guys, so like y'all saw, this is the new front bumper. It's a GC350 style front bumper, and it has quick releases over here in case I ever gotta take it off. And also gotta do some work to it. Gotta heat it up and mold it to like the fender right there. But overall, it looks really good. I like it a lot. I actually considered keeping it black, but I'm gonna just go ahead and paint it red. And it gets rid of the fog lights there. And I gotta fill in some spaces. But yeah, let me know what y'all think of it. I think it looks really good. It looks way more meaner now. And when this bumper gets painted, it's gonna look even better, which is the crazy part.